Niko na baby boy hapa.
Ay lana.
Baby boy. Tunafanana? Tunafanana.
Labda kiroho.
Roka kwa hau. Nani nafuata ile hapo? Mwana mai. Aje zangu. Mimi safi. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you. So guys, this is our first stopover. We are here at Dimba Fall. Yeah, guys, and this is my second time being here at Dimba Fall. So guys, go and watch that video that I did when I was here at Dimba Fall, because that video has a real struggle. A real struggle. Make sure you go and watch that video. And guys, we're just taking pictures here. Yeah. We're just taking pictures, enjoying ourselves, just seeing this beauty here of this water before we continue with our journey going to Mount Kenya Castle. Yeah, so guys, stay tuned and watch till the end, and make sure you subscribe and like to this video. You wanna say to me now, I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Oh my god guys, amjona ma struggle zetu, tunapanda mlima. Wewe hapa ndiza kupanda kweli. Kevo umeniacha? Nani ananisaidia? Kevo ulikuwa unafanya kazi vipi? Nani amejai? Nimechoka. Tumemaliza. Guys, acha nionyeshe mahali tumetoka. Kuna nyama umeanguka. Nakwambia kuna mlima. Oh my god, nimechoka. Kuna mlima na mabonde. Tumetoka huko. Naona kama kuna maji. Huko is the side. God, it's not easy guy. Nimechoka dira yangu inadunda. Tuko ina grow. Hana, acha nionyeshe mahali tumetoka. Guys, tumetoka huko Dimba Fall. Ndio sasa tuendelee. Hii ni stopover, tumestop. Oh my god. Nimechoka kiuno we. Sijui kama mnaweza ona. The camera is not showing well. Kuna Dimba Fall. Acha nitaweka hiyo clip nimerecord nikiwa hiyo side. Jua. Oh my god. We are continuing with our journey to Mount Kenya Castle Forest. Yeah, guys, comment there down below if I'm saying that name nicely. So guys, we are here at the entrance and we are in a group, as you can see. And also we have a guider who will guide us when we reach there, because there is wild animals there. And yeah, so guys, let's continue.
I am ancient. I am very traditional.
What is that?
There is also a campsite, and the entrance fee is for adult is 250, for children it is 50 bob, And also they've told us there, be aware of wild animals. So guys, tuko hapa kunaitwa? Kunaitwa?
Mount Kenya Castle.
Shy person.
Mount Kenya.
Mount Kenya. Ni Mount Kenya. Yeah. Mount Kenya Castle.
Why are you shooking me?
Mount Kenya Castle.
Castle.
Huh? Castle.
Don't say tell. Castle.
Mount Kenya Castle.
Thank you. Ona ng'ombe. Say hi.
Kuna ng'ombe pale. Let's jika ionekane. Niko na baby boy hapa.
Ay, laana.
Baby boy. Tunafanana? Tunafanana.
Labda kiroho.
Ndio kwa mbele niko record.
Adi.
Salvi.
Turn around. Rasta man.
Okay.
I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a hold.
Mary.
Okay.
Nataka niko shy.
Olivia. Kama kiburi of course.
Just know I feel falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
Welcome to Pauline YouTube channel. We at Mount Kenya Castle, yeah? Mwalimu huku.
Hapa ni wapi?
Ulisema sitaifika huku. Ushaifika huku. Yeah? Mwalimu tunao rembo painting. Mwalimu yeah. So we are with Tribe Africa. Enjoy the rest of the video as we go through. Kuna mzungu pale sponsor. Yeah.
Yo, hapa ni wapi?
Yo, make sure you subscribe, like and share.
Fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you.
Kiti, which way?
Oh, we are texting me and this video might go viral.
Go viral. Hey, your boyfriend would see after 2 months.
Niyo majira tunakunywa.
Ni mimi. Leta. Sinakwambia sisi.
Nataka maji ya mto, my friend. Umekuwa?
I'm here. Ya leo tunakunywa maji ya mtoni. Tunakunywa maji ya mtoni. Maslai Queen mkuja maji ya mtoni. Mkwe na stings na glove.
Water from springs.
Simu iko huko.
The direct from the river itself, from the source, from the trees.
Rivers zinakwanga za Babylon ama ni Jordan.
Just inhale the fresh air. There are fruits over there.
You think what we were done with Nini? Ups and downs of life.
No.
Ai najutia mili.
Hey, hatuendi straight. Tumeingia kwa vile.
You are the mili.
Ina test maji. Nataka i test.
Na sio nyatuna vijiti.
Yes, I can go.
Sinyenda slide nice.
Yes, napenda akiwa juu. Na mimi niko chini. Inanyoka lakini haikuoni. Ina macho lakini haikuoni. Inapenda kuingia na kutoka.
We?
Hata godoro.
Itakuwa long ya YouTube.
Unapumua nyuma yangu hivyo.
Songa.
Siwezi move. I'm going to buy some hours, big hours here.
So guys, as you can see that Mount Kenya, we are going there. Yeah, we are going there. And guys, this is a real struggle for climbing hills, and yeah, so let's reach there.
You don't do that.
Yeah.
What you wanna say to me now? I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Something. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming.
So guys, we are almost there, and as you can see, this road is so slim, and we are trying to lift our hands up so that the grass, the leaves cannot catch us. And guys, imagine these people who are passing by, the people who have already come from the waterfall. They are telling us we still have a long way to go. They're making us to be so tired, but guys, you're not getting tired. We have to reach there by force, by fire. Your fall up. Keva, what's not happening? I come. Hey. Hiyo ni Kevo. Ametoka kufanya ile kitu. Ile kitu kwa bush. Oh, we are almost there. Oh. Wewe kuna mteremko.
Msiweke frigia.
Ngona kafa uko almost. Wewe, si ningebeba kashuka hata nikalala kwenye tunaenda.
Ambo. Ndio.
Mary umechangamka.
Rusha kwa ni acha ni sip maji kwa hii ndani. Mimi siko excited for hapa.
I have to think of my shoes.
Kesa nikikaa hapa na sina nguo yake.
Kitu. Kai. Hapa patarudika.
Let me close my camera so that I cannot fall down. Guys, what? Ouch. Guys, what? Hey. Hii mlima. Tunapanda mlima, tunashuka. Tuna slide. What? Kuna tosha niacha, kuna wengine nyuma yangu. Kuna wenye wako nyuma. Mimi mwenyewe niko hapa katikati, kuna wenye wako mbele kabisa. But tuna struggle niku mtu anaslaka. Wewe mteremko tena. You need to have a strong shoes because here, guys, if you play, you'll just fall or slide. Hey. Oh my God. Aki, again, mimi nishaanza ku give up. Finally, what? Tumeifikia. Wow. Mount Castle. Oh. Wow. Karibuni Luzo. So guys, this place is so cold, so cold. We cannot stay here for 5 minutes, and I don't think even if you have a setup, it will help you. And also, I wonder how people always swim here. I wonder. This water is so cold. So I wonder how people who swim here, how they always feel. I don't know. We are just freezing. We're just freezing. Just to take pictures. We're just here just to take pictures. We are freezing. Oh my God.
Picha ma video.
Siendi kwa maji. Na heri hata nipikiwe hapa.
Unaona heri watu kubeba nguo zingine juu because
Mbaba ingine?
So we are going back because we cannot stay there for long.
Rest.
Because that place is so cold.
Haiki.
Watu jichota na kitu. Masando hii sasa.
Wale kitia amechoka.
Traveling, hiking,
watching.
swimming. Wamefika wa maji baridi mwashinda.
Ni pneumonia.
What? Sio rahisi.
Oh my god. Kupanda hata ni hizi kuliko kutembea.
Joke slide. Guys, okay, kupanda kitu si rahisi. Hi! Kujani. Si fake.
Kitu nione huruma hata. Hapa nimtaka kunivunja.
So guys, finally we are done and we are back to our bus, and finally we did it. Oh my god, I'm so tired. I'm so tired. Well, finally. Finally. What are you doing, Kutena?